From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the and it's 3 weeks later. Can you guys believe that I wore my braids for 3 weeks? This is a world record for me because I usually do not leave in hairstyles for that long. But these braids have saved me. They have saved me. Oh my gosh, I thank you. These last couple of weeks have been rough, okay? I put these braids in at the perfect time. So today we're gonna take them out. To be honest, I would have left my hair in for another week or so, but I have content that I have to film for a brand, so they gotta come out. And my scalp is itching me. My hair is dirty. I put in some beads, but I only put in beads on 2 braids in my hair. I just wanted to see how it would look with braids, and it was cute. So here's how we're gonna take these out. So I am going to moisturize my hair before I take them out because my ends may be dry in some areas. I'm going to apply that on my hair, and I'm using the Africa's Best Texture Shake Butter Curls Curl Defining Cream. I mentioned this to you guys before. I'm going to mostly focus the product on my ends because when unraveling, that may be the most difficult part to unravel. And I am going to time myself to see how long this takes to unravel. Stopwatch starts now. A lot of you were saying that the most difficult part is unraveling. I haven't done this in a while, so I don't really know if that was a difficult part for me because I used to do them so often. But since I moisturize my ends, it's a lot easier to unravel versus if I went in unraveling them when my hair was dry. And of course I can not just sit down and do this. I have to listen to something or watch something. So I'm noticing I'm getting some knots. I have to be very careful. Oh, okay guys, this is gonna take some time because I haven't unraveled one braid yet. Okay, let's see how long one braid takes though. So one braid took about 1.5 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be here all day, but we'll see. I know my shed hairs are about to be crazy. Have a knot. Snip. Working in sections was definitely easier than just having all my hair out and unraveling that way. Also, adding some moisture on my ends, as I said in the beginning, was also very beneficial. And one more thing, taking out the shed hairs out of the unraveled braid after I unraveled it was also something good to do, so it would reduce a lot of tangles during wash day. I do have a after protective styling after mini braids wash day video coming up for you guys soon, so stay tuned for that. To be honest, it was not the easiest, but we pulled through. The hardest part when it comes to unraveling your braids is definitely starting at the end may be the hardest part, and after that it gets easier to me. I finished the back, and guess how long it took me? Oh wow. It only took, again, sorry, I'm very clumsy. Yes, as I said, I finished the back and it only took me an hour to unravel the back. So I'm thinking this whole process can take me at least 2.5 hours versus the 7-8 hours to put them in. So unraveling isn't that bad. So I don't know, a lot of you were saying that the unraveling part is the hardest part, but so far for me it's the easiest. So I need answers, but I'm gonna finish this because my hair is so dirty. If I can show you guys my clothes right now, It's been a while. Okay, goodbye.
Hi, I am her niece.
You sure about that?
If she tell her I her daughter, she lie.
Why would I tell them that? Yeah, that was Kayla. We're about 2 hours and 45 minutes in. I have this front section to do, and the front is taking me longer to take out. I braided the front a little smaller than the back, but I have things to do. I have to do some chores around the house and then continue after that. But I'm loving my hair looking big like this. So my hair is still soft though, extremely dirty, but this is a look. Hi, how you doing? So this is a whole day process for me. Do you guys feel sorry for me? So I'm all done, and this took me about 3 hours and a half. So unraveling wasn't as bad as putting them in. Actually, I feel like it was torture when I was braiding my hair versus unraveling them, which went pretty smooth, you know. Sis, we are done, okay? And to be honest, I don't feel like washing my hair right now. I want to film another video that involves my hair, and I don't think I can pull off filming that video right now, so then I probably won't do my hair right now. But my hair is dirty. I know some of you, well, few of you would want to see this, a lot less than more. How many shed hair, or how much shed hair I got from wearing my hair in braids for 3 weeks. Yeah, this is my ball of hair that I lost. It looks pretty, it looks about the average. I thought it would have been more actually, but I'll probably lose a lot more hair when I wash my hair out. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Hope it didn't gross you out. Did it? Did it? Did it? Did it not? Did it? Did it? Is it grossing you out? Like, for real, is it really grossing you out? It's not that serious. It's just hair. Like, that's not in your scalp anymore. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you were entertained, even though I'm not trying to be an entertainer, because you guys love to be entertained. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.